Now let us see exercise 3.11, first one, fourth question. Okay, so solve the following quadratic equations by formula method. Using the formula method, you are going to solve this equation. Okay, so the given equation is 36y square minus 12ay plus a square minus b square is equal to 0. Okay, so now see that solution. First you have to write the given equation, that is what? Here 36y square minus 12ay plus a square minus b square is equal to 0. See here, while writing the coefficient correctly, you have to write that a value, b value and the c value. So here y square, here y, this is the constant term. Can you understood or not? So y square, y, here this is the constant term. So the you know that here a value, what is it? The coefficient of y square, that is the a value. Okay, so the coefficient of y square, what do you have? 36. Then the next one, here the coefficient of y only, y square, y, this is constant. Okay, so this fully, that is the b value. Can you understood? Coefficient of y. Okay, so this fully, the minus 12a, that is the b value. This fully, that is the constant term. Okay, so that c is equal to, that is a square minus b square. Now can you apply? Here you need to find out the y value only. So then you can write y is equal to, write the formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now can you apply that all the values? So here first you have to, already you have the formula itself, minus, that minus b value also one minus you have. So put it the bracket, that b value, what is it? Minus 12a. So this minus minus, it will become plus. Okay, so plus or minus. So apply all the values, root of b square, b here what is it? Minus 12a, b square means minus 12a the whole square, minus here what it will come? 4 into 36, that means 4 into a into c, minus 4 into a, here what is it? 36 into a, c, what is it? A square minus b square. Okay, so the next part, how will you write? Minus minus, it will become plus, that is 12a plus or minus. Here you know that minus 12a 2 times, so minus 12a into minus 12a. So you know that minus minus, it will become plus, 12 12s are 144. A into a, that is a square. Okay, so the next step here, minus only, minus 1 minus only you have. So first this multiply, numbers first multiply, after multiply with the inside. Okay, so can you understood or not? So here 4 into 36, what is it? 4 into 36 first multiply, after inside you need to multiply. Now see here, first y is equal to 12a plus or minus, you know that minus 12a the whole square, what is it? Minus 12a into minus 12a, that is plus 144a square, minus 36 into 4, that number if you multiply means what you have got it? Minus 144 into a square minus b square, the denominator there what you have? 2 into 36, that is 72. Okay, so the next one, 12a plus or minus 1 root of 144a square minus, you know that this 144 first multiply with a square, after multiply with the b square. So how to multiply? Now let us see, with the minus you are going to multiply. Okay, so then minus 144 into a square, that is minus 144a square. The next part, minus this minus b square, minus 144 with minus b square. So multiplication, you know that minus minus, it will become plus, 144 into b square, that is 144 b square. So the next one, 12a plus or minus, now see here 1 plus 144a square you have, the next one minus 144a square. Can you cancel it or not? The remaining you have to write, root of 144b square divided by 72. The next one, 12a plus or minus root of, so you know that which two same number, because this is the square root. Square root mean which two same number, while I'm multiplying you can get it the 144. 12 12s are only 144. Okay, so that instead of, can you write 12 into 12 you can write into b square mean b 2 times, so that you can write b into b divided by 72. So the next one, 12a plus or minus 12, here this is the square root, so root 12 2 times if you have in 112 you can make it outside, b 2 times, same thing, the 2 times if you have in one thing you can make it outside. Okay, so 12b divided by 72. So the next step, you know that the 72 is common for this one, the 72 is common for this part. So then 12a divided by 72 plus or minus 12b divided by 72. So can you cancel it this number? So what it will come? 12 1 is 6, 6 12s are 72. So then here also the same thing only it will come. Okay. If we cancel it, 6 it will come. So the next what you can write, a divided by 6. How you can write? 1 into a mean that is a. A divided by 6 plus or minus b divided by 6. Okay, now we know that the denominator here in between plus or minus only you have, so the denominator commonly you can take. Okay, so the denominator commonly, after you have to write the numerator a plus or minus b. So commonly you have to write that denominator because same thing only you have 6. After the numerator what you have? A plus or minus. Okay, so in between plus or minus you have, so a plus or minus b. So this also how to split and write y is equal to plus b also it is possible, minus b also. So how we can write? A plus b divided by 6 comma the next one a minus b divided by 6. So the what is the answer for this one? Y is equal to a plus b divided by 6 comma the next one a minus b divided by 6. That is the answer. Okay, thank you.